Yeah.
Oh, hi.
Hi, this is Alan the Locksmith. I have arrived. Can you text me the buzzer number and apartment number?
Oh, no, don't worry. I don't have to go to now, but someone is coming there to pick
Okay.
you up, okay?
Thank you.
Open the door. Okay, thank you.
Bye.
I'm just gonna be in this room. Let me know if you need anything at all, okay?
Okay, I'm gonna try right away the faster way.
Oh, yes.
See if it will work. Usually, when you're inside, you can just press the handle and it will open, yeah? Okay, so it should work.
Oh my gosh. Oh! Yeah.